Okay, we're back on the bench for part 2 of the Dragon 32 restoration, and for this video we're going to be working on the Van Tone cassette recorder, which although if you were to power it up and press play without a tape in, everything would appear to turn okay, but as soon as anything's added, it just won't turn, so the chances are it's going to be a belt issue. So let's get this thing popped open and have a little look. And see, there's already one screw missing for this. If we can get this fixed, then I can see if I can load my Mr. Dig into the Dragon. Oh, just zoom out a little bit. Oops. There we go. Right. So there's the belt in question, and yeah, that's very, very worn, very slack. Yeah, that's definitely needing replaced. Let's see if we can get this out. There we are. It's a fair old size. Hopefully I've got one that big. Possibly slightly smaller, of course, so we're getting the right tension. Yeah, probably not far away. And that's the largest one I've got. Right, let's see. See, this is going to be a pain in the backside. Yeah. Yeah, that's definitely a bit better. Not seen any wobble as it turns. Yeah. back in nice now. It only takes a few seconds to take them back out again if we need to go back in. Use the bench supply. Okay, 6 volts. So we've got positive at this side, negative this side. Maybe a bit trickier layout. Easier, I'll just solder on a small piece of wire. This one will do it. Doesn't fall off. Get a tape. Before I do that, clip this a sec. Probably a good idea to give the heads a bit of a clean first. Isopropyl alcohol on a cotton bud. Shut off from the beginning here. Oops. Definitely a bit grimy. Should be enough. Seems to be happening. These ones aren't fitting. I'll to see if I can find the original lead that come with it. I'm back in a sec. Right. It does confirm, in fact, it's one that's got a square edge. Another one is just simply won't fit. Bear with me while I untangle this. Plugged in. There we are. Yes, I don't think we're getting rewind. Seems very stiff actually. Okay, that's going to need stripped down, but play is working, so I'd like to give it a test just to make sure games are loading into the Dragon. All I need for that is play to be working. Confirms that. Flip it over. Yeah, even when fast forward's pressed, when there's a cassette in, it just doesn't seem to be sitting right. And play's not staying down either, which is obviously an issue. Let's turn that volume down. We are going to have to open this back up and see what's wrong with it. Right, okay, I powered it up while it was open, and I manually started to turn the fast forward wheel. And it eventually kicked in. I think it's just been sitting for so long it was slightly seized. As for the rewind, it's operating with. I did get it to spin a little. Again, it felt quite tight to manually turn. So I think again it just needs freed off, but we do have a belt down here. Clearly that's going to need replaced as well. Only question is getting to it. I'm going to have to strip this down a good bit further. It's not like that one where you can just put the belt on without removing any parts. So that's the next stage, is we'll get this thing stripped down, start with the circuit board and take it from there, see what we can see. So let's see if we can get this thing apart. We'll start by removing the board. Hopefully won't have to desolder any wires. Okay, it's handy. The belt sits right underneath, so these are going to have to come up. Sits under there. Clip here. It's off without it pinging away somewhere. Oh, damn it. I have no idea where that went. It's a bit of a pain in the backside. See if I get lucky and it falls out. Nope. Okay. Solved it. There we go. That was lucky. Thought for a horrible minute we were going to have to strip loads of this down just to retrieve that. Right. So get this out of the way. Screws on the side here. That. So it's just going to lift. Take it all the way off if I don't have to. Let's see if I've got one this size. It's not actually terrible, this one. There's still a bit of tension there. We'll replace it anyway. Do the job. Right, okay, I found the power cord. Remember that it was a sort of square shape on one end, so you can't just use the standard figure 8. Right, so let's give this a test with the tape. So, fine. Mine's still a little sluggish, but it is working. So, right, go get the dragon, get it set up, and we'll see if it'll load again. Right, okay, we have micro deal. I'm presuming that's their logo. Up on the screen now. Go back once it's completed loading. Right, we're back. That's it loaded up. Unfortunately, I don't think you can get to the next screen or start the game or play the game without a joystick. And I don't have a joystick for the Dragon 32. But what I have ordered is a device that allows you to use the Atari joystick. Slight technical glitch there. Yeah, what I've ordered is a project from PCBway, and it's a joystick adapter for the Dragon 32. That's extra, it's just a plate you sit on top, just makes it look a bit nicer. This is obviously the main PCB. So I've got all the parts bar one. So I'm just waiting on one more part arriving, and then I can put this together and hopefully finally have a game of Mr. Dig on the Dragon 32. So what I'll do is I'll finish this video off by getting everything loaded up and having a game. So I shall be back when the necessary part arrives. This is there, so let's get started building this. I'll start by putting the resistors in. I have 410k and 447k. These are my 10k ones. And it's on the print on the board what goes where, so it's nice and straightforward. Right, let's get these wires attached. Now, I've already prepped them. They're pre-tinned at this end. I haven't prepped the other end yet. The end that'll be going into the DIN plug. So now this is corresponds directly to the back to the plug. So it's just a case of matching them up. So let's get these connected. The connector. Grab myself a cable tie. Right. That's that in place. Now solder this into the board. Forget, slide the sleeve on. Reasonable fit. This was actually a 9-core wire. We'll actually need 5, so I just snipped the extra ones off. Get these prepped. Up. Okay, so see for this part, it's just going to be everything up. Mm. Mm. Solder each one of the backs of these pins. Yeah. So this one will be, what was that? That would be the green white strip. That's actually only one green. It's going to go here. And one below it is the red. And it's the blue and white. Yep, blue and white. Blue. Finally black. So that's all the wires in, plug sorted, and I've checked continuity between each end, and it's all good. Now, should be able to place this top, 3D printed, some little standoffs. Right. We'll have to obviously shorten these. Right. Dremel. Cutting disc. Right, and I'll just go through all of them and I'll be back when I'm done. Right, that's that complete. Standoffs in. Yeah, I have to say it actually looks really nice. Right, so what I'll do is I'll get the Dragon all set up. I'll preload a game into it. Stop at that point, start recording again, and see if it works. Right, so that's this loaded back to the screen we got to previously. We have the new adapter plugged in. So we have joystick plugged in to the adapter. Let's switch over to the game screen, and when we press the fire button, it should really go to the next part of the screen, selecting difficulty and such. So let's see if that works. Right, here we go. So that moves up and down fine. Press fire. Okay. Skill level. Hard. What was that one? No way. I think we'll stick with simple. Right. Let's see how this goes. Can be difficult. Ideally, you want to collect all these little cherries without stopping. You get a bonus. Yeah, that was always going to go the wrong way. Wasn't it? I'll have to go collect that. fire. Oh, oh Christ. I'm sure why it's not letting me push that over the edge there. Annoying. That was put. There we go. Right. Okay, so I would say that that's working away fine. The adapter's working a treat. The tape deck's loading the games, no problem. Yeah. The tape deck, I'll give that a full strip down and clean, and grease anything that's needing done. Well, apart from that, I'm very happy. I do have one of the digital Maxduino, is it? The tape loader. I have the kit for that coming, so I'll probably do another video on this, building that and loading some different games into the Dragon 32. Right, so if you liked this video, please click the like button. If you want to see more videos like it, then please do subscribe to the channel. It's much appreciated, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.